And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Okay, so today I'm getting ready to meet up for Cinco de Mayo. We are going to the park to do a social distancing activity. So this should be fun. Let's go. Take your alarm off, unlock the bags, junk in the trunk, and throw it in there. And I throw my, whoa, and I throw my bag in. With my iPad and everything in it, and I'm ready to go. All right, we just came by the grocery store to try to get an essential for our activity today, but it was closed. It's only open on the weekdays, and we're downtown St. Louis. It's gonna be a dope day, so we're gonna move on to our event. All right, got my homegirl right here. We're about to ride out. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so I made it to the park. You know I'm on a road ride today. It's too good outside. We getting ready to meet up in this park. Everybody's about to say what's up. Whoa, we got puppies. We got people. We got blankets. We got everything. It's about to go down. What's the puppy's name?
Bandit.
Bandit. Do the bandit. Too cute. Boom, we made it.
We made it.
Boom.
We made it.
Boom. So I just laid down the pink blanket. We're about to put the chips out. We got the dog steak.
He gonna stay a bit small. He ain't gonna be too big.
Oh, look like she got it. A little bit.
Okay. It's like a wine bottle, yeah.
Like a wine bottle. She got the off spray. Your girl. Ooh.
That's up, girl.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Thank you. Cause they'll bite your elbow. The mosquitoes will bite your elbow. Came to the car to get some waters and out. I should have got the lawn chairs. I don't know.
But they had kind of like that.
Social distancing.
Like that little flavor pop.
Say hi to the people. Yeah.
It's good.
Honey buns. It's so hot outside. Like, I literally cannot do it right now. Like, It's our little pod, 6 feet apart, but it's freezing. I mean, hot. See, I'm tripping. So you know, I had to pull up on the bike one time. I pull up at the store, and a family out here, they having a whole graduation. One of my cousins coming, like, come through. We having a social distance grad party. When I say they out, my mama head. There she go. There go my mama. I'll see you then. I'll hug you next week. Hop on the bed.
I'm not gonna even stand next to it.
Why?
I don't like it.
Tell her you
But
quit.
I could drive you on the
Tell her
back.
you quit elementary school because of recess. You don't play no games.
I don't play no games. I quit elementary school because of recess.
Yeah.
Now look and see what this thing is right here.
That's your back rest. You just sit on the back and hold you in place. Put your feet down here.
Mm-hmm.
And we outside. You ready?
I know how to do that. I don't know.
Well, come on.
I catch y'all.
Catch us win.
What the gas for?
Well, I got some of that good drink. You gonna
What gas card? I got a card in
pick
here.
you back up, okay?
I got a gift card. Remember?
I want the where you put your gas in.
Yeah, we up, dog, up. Yeah, we up, dog, up. Yeah, we up in the sky.
Couldn't do it like me,
And out the side, throwing gang signs out the roof. They say I can't make it. Fuck it, I'm delivering through. Talking with the keyboard, what have you? Lose a damn tooth. Watch my corner slide, black down or a wild glide. Miss you got ass, but up in game is 2-5. Stuck them dead faces. We be too live. Watch my Harley slide, black down or a wild glide. Watch my corner slide, black down or a wild glide. Miss you got.
So while I was out riding that night, I hit a pothole that was so huge, I literally almost fell off my bike. My legs flew up, my body flew up. Only thing that held me on the bike were my hands. So in St. Louis, we have terrible streets. So, yeah. But that didn't stop the show. I went out to my aunt's house. We had crab legs, all kind of food, good times with the family, dancing, partying. And that's where this vlog is going to end. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you for checking out my videos. If you made it this far, it's QueenSit. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'm out.